Hi guys, today I will share with you how to create these music effects.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and
I have this video with the audio track.
Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play. How in this
Hold Alt and lift it up. Because of holding Alt, it makes a same copy of this video track. Go to Effect Control, add the time head at the start point and go 2 frames forward by pressing right arrow on the keyboard. Add a keyframe on scale. Don't forget to reduce the opacity 100 to 50%. Go 2 frames forward again and add a keyframe here. This time scale 122 and hit enter. Then go few frames forward and reset scale keyframe. Again lift it up holding Alt. Delete the second keyframe and set scale to 142. Now see the final result.
years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play. How in this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause
It's look awesome. Look at this beat effect. You can also use it as a music effect. If you want to know how to create this type of music beat effect, I have a separate video tutorial for that. Link in the description. Next, I have this video with the audio track. Same process here. Lift it up 2 times holding Alt. Go to Effect Control. Set the opacity 50% for both layers. Also blend mode lighten for both layers. Selecting the first video clip, set the position a little bit right. Selecting the second video clip, set the position a little bit left. Now see the final result. It was really easy to do. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.